what's up, you guys? Welcome to the Mango Grove. My name is Krisha, and this is today's Bitcoin analysis video. I have Sean next to me today. Sean, say hello to everybody.
Good morning, everyone.
So, price is moving to the downside as we speak, something we had forecasted. Now, just to not sound like a broken record, I'm just gonna go ahead and tell you exactly what we said about this.
He's trying to sound calm, guys. He's trying to sound, but here comes the bragging. You deserve it. You deserve the bragging rights. Let's go.
Oh, no. I just want to show them the trade setup that we actually spoke about. I don't think this is much to brag about because this was a very easy play. For those of you in the Mango Seed program, I'm expecting you guys to have caught this one. This was very, very easy. Right, and I told you guys, keep it freaking easy, keep it simple, stupid,
keep it mango,
right? But I'm just gonna go ahead and play this trade setup that we spoke about 2 days ago, okay? Because this sort of breaks down very, very succinctly. This is what's happening with the market right now, so watch it. There's a lot of bearish pressure here, so I know that, okay, I'm gonna be looking for short trades in this juncture of the market. So now the next question is, where does the short trade really come to us at? Right, so once again, I'll take you guys back on over to the weekly. Now, because we're so close to these very important levels, you can keep the trade set up very easy, guys, okay? Always take advantage of you being close to a macro level. Always take advantage of that shit. Now, check this out. Yeah, we've just penetrated the FEG. Would I take the trade here? No. Right, would I take a short trade maybe at the top of the FEG if I get the opportunity? Hell yes. Because now that is going to be a very, very easy trade to manage at 26.6K. But now what makes it even more easier?
The weekly besides 200?
The FEG. Exactly. Look at the beautiful confluence. We have the weekly 200 lining up with the top of the FEG. These are all very pivotal, very, very important historic levels.
Also, I'd like to point out, if you go quickly back to the trend view, right? The volatility, guys, is like scarily low, right? Scary if you are a bull here and looking for Bitcoin to bounce, because blue volatility in the direction of the trend and the 12-hour is also short. And you guys know how I've been using the 12 hour as a barometer since the beginning of the cycle. Okay, the 12-hour being short, as well as Ichimoku flag on, Krisha, on the far right hand side of there, bearish Ichimoku flag for the 4-hour as well as the 12-hour, right? And I'm not liking the picture of this. If I were a bull, if you're a bear, you're liking this because it's saying, hey, there's a juicy trade. Because volatility compression, which is blue, right? Blue stands for volatility compression, leads to volatility expansion. We're compressed on the 2-day, compressed on the daily, compressed on the 4-hour, and the 12 hours pretty much there, guys. It's at 46. So I'd be a tad bit careful over here. Just watch out for the next week or so. Watch out.
Exactly. But yeah, this is now.
I didn't mean to interrupt. Go back to your trade, Krisha. Talk to them about your invalidation. That's the most important bit, guys. No trade. Your entry could matter a lot, right? Your entry could mean a lot to you. But what's most important is the invalidation. Your trade means nothing without the invalidation. We could give you guys your trade. You could enter the trade perfectly. But if you don't exit the trade on both the profits as well as the invalidation, the trade is useless, right? So tell us where the invalidation is, Krisha. Tell us where the profit target is.
Okay, so the profit target, okay, I have two targets here. We're looking at the mid, which comes in at around $24,000. Let me just sort of fix my view right here. Perfect. Right, we were looking at all of these highs. Let me just mark that out once again. There we go. Okay, so essentially, historically, this has been a very, very good region of support, also lining up with the mid of the FVG. Alternatively is, the target to the downside, which comes in around 21K, 22K lining up with the FVG, 21K lining up with that Bollinger Band that I showed you and the historic playthrough that it's had so far. So these are the two targets that I have for this current short setup. All right, but I will only sort of take it on that 200 simple moving average test because it's going to be so easy to manage.
Alrighty, and Krisha, if you can show us the current picture of Bitcoin, you guys can see that a couple of days ago we got the retest of the 200 moving average, and what do you know, we are almost at Krisha's target 1. Krisha, how are you feeling about this? Mixed feelings, eh? Mixed feelings.
I mean, I do have bids down there, right? I mean, I'm playing this. I'm playing the TA that I'm presenting to you. I do have some spot bids at these regions. So I have one at the midpoint, and I also have one at the bottom of the range. So, and this is what I'm saying. When you see these macro levels, I'm going to repeat it again. When you see these macro levels, guys, it's too easy a trade, okay? It's easy for you to, well, take the trade. It's easy for you to manage the trade. So there's no reason to not, well, take the trade, execute on it, right? And now, so now we're making our way down to the midpoint. But now another thing that people are likely not talking about, Sean, at least I'm not seeing it at the very least, is that now if I just switch off everything, take you on over to, let's just say the daily time frame. We have been looking at that falling wedge, right? Let's go ahead and draw out the parameters around the boundaries around that falling wedge. All right. We are now breaking that wedge to the downside, right? Now, if I go ahead and take the measured move of that wedge, all right, let's go ahead, take the measured move from here from top to bottom, catch it, plot it on the break. Okay, now let me take you guys on over back to the weekly time frame. Okay, weekly time frame, right? This is the move. Let's put on that FVG once again, and it lines up with the bottom of the FVG. All right, so now we're seeing confluence. It's a nice, beautiful, beautiful cascading play. But the trade setup, guys, was given to us 2 days ago when we had presented the trade opportunity to you guys.
And this was before the FOMC meeting. This was before the CPI data. Guys, while it's really interesting to follow all of this, we all love the drama, kind of like Game of Thrones. We all watch it. We know it's not real though, right? Similarly, don't trade the events. Don't make any trading decisions based on the events. Use it for confluence. Use it as a catalyst to your trade that you were already planning. But do not make it the premise of your trade. You guys are seeing it now firsthand here at Mango for month after, like since freaking Jan this year. We have proven over and over again to you that TA leads the narrative of any news event. All right. TA will always lead.
Right. So, yeah, I mean, this, guys, still stands as far as price trajectory is concerned. This is essentially what we're looking for still on Bitcoin's chart. First target, $24,000. Second target, $22,000. Keep it simple, stupid. Now, as far as our macro thesis on Bitcoin is concerned,
we are still bullish.
We're bullish.
Yeah. Remember guys, while I've been looking, while I've been bearish for like the past 2 months or so, and I've been patiently waiting for this jump, I've been doing so because I'm bullish. I've been doing so because I'm still looking for that $42,000 region. I just wasn't too excited at the 32K region, at the $30,000 region, because that was my target one, right? More like target 1.5. Our target one was this level, by the way. Target one was 24,500. All the way back at 16K Bitcoin, we were looking for 24,500. Well, now we are back here. And maybe we can get a tad bit more greedy and look for that monthly 10 SMA, which is coming in at around 23,000-ish, right? So yeah, we could wick down to the bottom of the FEG, but I want us to see us hold that monthly 10 SMA. Yup, right over there, Krisha. Krisha's white line, guys, that's the monthly 10 SMA, right? Coming in at around 22,950, 23,000, let's round up a tad bit. So lining up with the FEG really, really well. While I am bullish, guys, as long as we're holding that 10 SMA, okay? As soon as we lose that monthly 10 SMA on Bitcoin, I'm looking for the lows to get tested again. It's as simple as that. I'm keeping my TA, Mango, stress-free, easy.
Bingo. Now there you have it. As far as immediate price action is concerned, the forecast remains the same. The targets remain the same. Of course, if the picture changes, you will, well, get the juice from us. Now, if you guys have been enjoying this content, if you guys have been enjoying the trade setups that we have been presenting, make sure to smash that like button. And hey, if you want to keep up with the latest Mango juice, hit the subscribe as well. That way you are notified the next time, well, we're out. So with this,
trade the easy way, trade the stress-free way, trade the Mango way. We'll see you guys in the next one.
Ciao.